little numbers stacked on top of one another, sitting in their little columns. All you do is just remember you're looking over to the column right next door. Yes, yes, you're looking over to the column right next door. Yes, yes, yes. When you're working in a column and you're adding up some numbers, if the sum contains one digit, all you do is just remember, don't carry over to the column right next door. No, no, don't carry over to the column right next door. No, no, no. When you're working in a column and you're adding up some numbers, if the sum contains two digits, all you do is just remember, you carry over to the column right next door. Yes, yes, you carry over to the column right next door. Yes, yes, yes.
Add the blocks. There are 45 blocks and there are 45 blocks. Start by adding the ones. 5 ones plus 5 ones equals 10 ones. We can regroup the 10 ones into one 10. There are no ones left, so we write 0 in the ones column and 110 in the tens column. Now we add the tens. 110 plus 4 tens plus 4 tens equals 9 tens. There are 90 blocks. 45 plus 45 equals 90. Add the blocks. There are 25 blocks and 59 blocks. Start by adding the ones. 5 ones plus 9 ones equals 14 ones. We can regroup 14 ones into one 10 and 4 ones. We write the 4 ones in the ones column and the 110 in the tens column. Now we can add the tens. 110 plus 2 tens plus 5 tens equals 8 tens. There are 84 blocks. 25 plus 59 equals 84. Add the numbers. 58 plus 35. Let's start by adding the ones. 8 ones plus 5 ones equals 13 ones. We can regroup 13 ones into one 10 and 3 ones. We write the 3 ones in the ones column and the 110 in the tens column. Now let's add the tens. 110 plus 5 tens plus 3 tens equals 9 tens. 58 plus 35 equals 93.
Okay, grade 2. Did you understand the video clip? I hope you learned something. Now, can you get your math book and open on page? Okay, we can now go to page 72. This one, page 72. And now we can read the exercise. 6. Which two airplanes have more than 500 passengers altogether? If we look closely, the airplanes A, B, and C, we can see that letter B and letter C already has bigger numbers, and I guess it is more than 500 because 366 has 300 place value in the hundreds place, and 230 has 200 in the hundreds place, and we know that 200 plus 300 is already 500. So maybe these two are the answer. We can write here 230 and 366 will give you, let us count. 300 plus 200 is already 500. And then 60 plus 30 will give you 60 in my mind, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have here 90. And 0 plus 6 is 6. See, teacher add numbers using his head without a paper and pencil. It's easy, right? We can add numbers by counting in our mind. Now we can write here letter B and letter C airplanes have more than 500 passengers all together. Now maybe we can answer number 7. We add the ones place first. 8 plus 5 is 8 in your mind, and then count plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13, 3 here and carry 1 here. Now what number can we add to make it 6? Maybe I can put number 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So teacher is correct. Now we add the hundreds place. 1 plus 3 is 4. Good. Now what about letter B? Can you guess? If not, let's do it together. Ones place first. 9 plus 4 is 9 in your mind, and then count plus 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 13 again. So 13, 3 here and plus 1 there. Let's add the tens place. 4 plus 4 is 4 in your mind and count plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer here is 8 plus 1, 9. And then let's count. 6. 6 and what number will be 7? It's easy. 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 793 for letter B and 463 for letter A. Let's go to letter C. Let's count the ones place first. 0, 7 plus 7 is? Yes, 14. Carry 1 there. Teacher, how? Okay, again, 7 in your mind and then count plus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's 14. Now, 5 plus 6 is? 5 in your mind and then count 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 1. So it's 12 and carry 1 again. And what number can we put here to make it 8? 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. So it is 824. Let's go to the last one. Letter D. 7 plus 8, 7 in your mind. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 15 and plus 1. 4 plus 6 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And plus 1, 11. Plus 1 again. Now, what number can we add here to make it 8? Maybe we can put 5. 5 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Wow! It's 815. Good. We've finished the exercises for page 72. So, teacher will check your work next week. I'll see you then. Goodbye.